Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's been well. Hopefully everyone's been getting out riding. Again, I haven't been too much here because the rain's back. As you can see, car's soaking wet. It's only drizzling at the moment, but it was pouring down earlier. I was meant to get a review done this week, but that'll have to wait till next week now. But today I'd just like to talk to you about the future of this channel, where I want it to go, or where you want to see it go as well. So, all right, let's start off by saying I've loved how far the channel's come so far. It's amazing. Everyone's support is amazing. Yeah, I'm just over the moon with everyone's support. It's been awesome. It's been awesome. I think I've been going about a year and a half now. All right, just double checked. So exactly 4 days ago was 1 year and 6 months. So man, time's flying, absolutely flying. We're about to hit we're getting close to 4,000 subscribers, so that's huge. Thanks everyone so much. On that note, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and then comment below. All those things help every time, every video. You have to do it. If you don't do it, you don't like me. That's what. Yeah, so yeah, the future of this channel, where do I see it? Where do I want it to go? Where do you want it to go? I'd really like to hear back from all of you where you think the direction should go. Should I stick with strictly just Harleys? This is where I'm torn. Should I stick with strictly just Harleys, or have a bit of everything on the channel? You know, the channel's called Gnarly Harley, and I feel like if people look at that, they're like, oh, it's just Harleys. But I love anything with two wheels, and I know a lot of you do as well. So in the future, I'd really like to start doing more adventure bike stuff, more, I don't know, maybe even a couple of sporty stuff, even though they're uncomfortable as all F. But you know, just check out a few little things. I want to do more off-roading dirt road. I'd love to somehow one day be able to afford an adventure bike and have the Gnarly Harley as well, you know. If that comes to that point, I would think to change my channel name a little bit, you know, Gnarly something. Instead of Gnarly Harley, I'd have in my channel, I'd have Gnarly Harley vlogs. You know, there'd still be Gnarly Harley aspect to it, because that's me and this bike. And then it could be like, I don't know, Gnarly Living, Gnarly Bloody, Gnarly Throttle, Gnarly Rider. I don't know. What do you think? I want your opinion. Should I look into changing the name of the channel eventually, or do I just leave it and just do everything and leave the name of the channel? So that's just where my thoughts are at. That's where I'm at. I wanna do everything, but is the name gonna hold me back a little bit, you know? As you can see in my channel at the moment, I've got different playlists. There's like the big things and all that. Then it would be Gnarly Harley, like Gnarly Adventure Riding, or Gnarly, I don't know, something, you know, Gnarly Throttle, or, you know, I'd have all these subcategories, you know. As you know, I got kinda started Gnarly Garage and Gnarly Rides. I'd really love to do more gnarly rides. If anyone at home has a bike, if you're in Queensland, maybe even if you're not, I'll see if I can get to you wherever you are, or just ride, you know. I want to do more gnarly rides. I want to see your bike, and the people want to see your bike, so you and your bike. So just, you know, hit me up, check out my Facebook page, Gnarly Harley, go in there, DM me, send me photos of your bike maybe, and you know, see if we can meet up somewhere, and we could do like a video on your bike. As you've seen, I did the CVO ST, and also did Dirty Tricks Garage bloody custom bagger, turbo bagger, which was insane. It was awesome. It was awesome. Anyway, I'm bloody rambling on. I was meant to keep this a bit of a short video. Another thing I wanted to talk about and just be a bit transparent. I've had people comment and saying, oh, did you get the suspension for free? Did you get the work done at Farrows for free? No, I didn't. I did end up getting, all right, before you get too excited, let's talk about what I paid for the suspension and the work done recently. Overall, all right, I got my phone open so I can see the transactions. $1,300 I paid to Farrows Customs for the suspension. At the end of it, Brian didn't have to give me a discount, but he did, which was awesome. I got $500 off that, so it's usually about $1,800 or $1,900. So yeah, I paid $1,300 for that. And then on because obviously they're getting advertising, it's kind of, you know, it's a bit of a trade-off, you know. He didn't have to do it. Like I just wanted to support a local business, and yeah, I'm glad I did, because the suspension's bloody awesome. And then Farrows Customs, recently I got the rear tire and brake pads and that pin thing done. This one was a bit expensive. Nothing against Farrows, it's just apparently the price of tires went up. Metzeler, I think it was like $4.85 or something on the receipt, if I can find it. $4.85 just for the rear tire. Like, holy cow. Anyway, I paid $773.45 Australian. $773.45. Ouch. That hurt. So all up, I've paid them in the last 4 weeks or something, over $2,000 in work done. So yeah, $2,050 in work done there. So yeah, everyone thinking I'm getting all this stuff for free. I'm not. The only things I've gotten for free are my hog lights. Shout out to hog lights in the description below if you want to get yourself some. And Resurgence gear. Got the jacket and I've got the jeans, and I've gotten those for free as well. So total transparency with you guys. Anything else? I'm trying to think. I haven't gotten anything else for free. That's it. Yeah. So they're my partial sponsors, or I don't know if you'll call them full-time sponsors. I'm not getting paid from any of them. Just so everyone knows, because I want it to be total transparent. I've had a heap of questions, you know. Hopefully one day, look, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I don't want to have a paid sponsorship. That'd be amazing one day, because then I could do more of this stuff, you know. All right, I've just pulled up on my phone here. Let's talk about how much I've earned off YouTube, because I want to be transparent. Everyone thinks for some reason that you make all this money off YouTube. No, not quite. Anyway, it's all about, I'm enjoying the journey anyway. It's not about the money for me. I just want to get out and ride. And if I can do that and it be a bit easier and I can afford to do that, awesome. That's me. I'm sorted. Okay. So since I started to get paid for ads, the estimated revenue was $2,100. $2,100. So that's about $1,300 US. So $1,300 US, $2,100 Australian. So yeah, I mean, that's in 1 year and 6 months of a lot of effort and time and money into GoPros, gear, different microphones, new tires, servicing, fuel, food, everything on the road. Like, it adds up. I'm still well and truly way deeper than anything I've earned, if that makes sense. So if you're wondering if I'm doing well off YouTube, no, but I'm doing it because of the love of it. It's funny, a little bit depressing, but it's funny. No, no, but here I am. I'm still doing videos. Like, it's just one of them things. So yeah, like alone in just stuff I've purchased for the bike in the last 3 weeks, that's all the YouTube money gone, you know what I mean? So then you got all the fuel and food and stuff for the last 1.5 years. So you can already guess how in the negatives I am. But to me, it's not about that. It's about, getting out, exploring. Life's too short, man. So many people just dropping dead. Like, I've had this fella recently, I kind of spoke to a few times. It's weird. We're going to have a PT session together. And yeah, he was overseas on a holiday, just enjoying a holiday, and then he just that's it. He just died. It's crazy, man. So it's about that. It's about you getting out and us all getting out and just enjoying life, because it can just be gone. That's it. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. But anyway, I wanted to be super open with everyone and where I'm at. I want to keep expanding the channel, keep growing, but moral of the story, am I limiting myself? Am I limited to just the Harley? I always want to own this bike. I love this bike so much. It's bloody, I feel like Steve Irwin when I'm around this bike. The Gnarly Harley. It's not going anywhere. I know all these think, oh, you're going to get a new bike. Mate, I can't afford that. Bro, Harleys are overpriced for one, and I love Harleys. And two, I couldn't justify it. It's a lot of money, Maybe one day, I want to get a bit older and I can afford that stuff. Yeah, also a decent chunk that has helped, me getting out riding is you guys using this QR code here, which is buy me a coffee. All the links below in the description. How Buy Me a Coffee works is you can buy me, I don't know, coffees or tanks of fuel. It's kind of like a donation thing, you know, kind of like, you know, you pay for like Netflix or Stan or any of those subscription apps. Since I'm uploading for free and that, it's kind of a way to support the channel and helps me get out more and makes my life a little bit easier. So yeah, you don't have to do it. Don't feel obliged, but if you want to help and support, use the QR code or click the link in the description below. If you're watching on TV, you might have to get up on your mobile, go to my video, and there's all links below for Resurgence gear, Hog Lights, BIC Logistics, Sunny Coast Harley, and Buy Me a Coffee. So yeah, that's how all that works. So really appreciate all the support, everyone. Yeah, it means a lot. Sunshine Coast Harley, they're not paying me or anything. Basically how that works, so this is total transparency today. How all that works is they get free advertising for just letting me ride the bikes. They've given me a few free shirts, like the Sunshine Coast Harley shirts, but that's it, yeah. They just let me go ride the bikes. They get free advertising, obviously, and then I get a few free shirts. I'm stoked with that, you know. It's content for me, content for you guys. You get to see all these, you know, bikes you haven't ridden, and you get to see me review them, you know. That's, you know, it's kind of just how life works, you know. You just work together with people and you get a bit of a trade-off. So that's how it works. So, and people are saying, oh, are you going to be a sellout, this and that? No, I'm never going to advertise something on the channel that I don't like or believe in. I've told you things that I don't, even I've risked it a few times going to Harley and saying, oh, I don't like this. Like, yeah, there's certain bikes I haven't liked and I've mentioned it and a few people got upset, but that's okay. Like, you know, I told them I'm going to be honest. Yeah, same with Resurgence gear. I told them I'm going to be honest if I don't like it. They said, that's fine. Hog Lights, I said I'd be honest if I don't like it. That's fine. So a big shout out to all the people supporting the channel. Obviously Resurgence gear, keeping me safe. Hog Lights, keeping me safe. I can see at night. Farrows as well, you know. You've seen the amount of free labour he put in as well, going through everything, making sure I'm safe, and then also giving me a discount on the suspension. That was awesome. BIC Logistics, really appreciate you guys as well. Check them out. That's who sponsored me with the drone. That's massive. That's changed the channel completely. And Sun State Motorcycles as well, for let me. I've only reviewed one bike there, but I'm going to go back. I want to do more. So that was a part of me talking to you guys about it. So yeah, that's pretty much, I know I've blown through everything. I just wanted to keep this a really quick and simple one. I didn't want to talk forever. I just wanted to see what you guys think. Let me know what you think below. You know, maybe a change your name, but still it's going to be Gnarly something. And if you have ideas, let me know. Gnarly, and then just change the last word. You know, let me know if you got ideas below. Let me know. Gnarly living, Gnarly throttle, Gnarly bloke, Gnarly vegan. No, fuck, no. You know what I mean? I'm not a vegan, by the way. I like meat. Not in that way. But yep, you know, I love meat. Meat's good. Yeah, so I'm always going to have the Gnarly Harley thing going. Even if I eventually change the name to something different, like I'll always keep Gnarly and then it'll be something else. But Gnarly Harley's always going to be the channel, part of the channel. The logo's always going to be there, everything. Yeah, I just want your guys' opinion. Let me know. Let me know. Also, my mate got a tattoo, so I can never get rid of Gnarly Harley completely. He's got that tattooed on his leg. So that's always going to be a part of the... so, Matt, before you stress out, mate, it's always going to be a part of the channel. It'll be a playlist, Gnarly Harley. Because anytime I go on this bike, right here, the Fat Bob, this is Gnarly Harley. So, don't stress on that. But yeah, I want to do more stuff. I want to jump on an adventure bike. On that note, maybe Harley just send me a Pan America and then it can be still Gnarly Harley. No, I'm kidding. This rain's beautiful, but I'm over it. I just want to get out and ride. I'll get out soon. I think there's a toy run coming up. I've got more reviews to do. I've got more big things to see. Yeah, obviously there's always going to be more content to do, always more places to ride. I'm bloody keen. I need to do more solo camping on the Fat Bob. Yeah, so I've got all the solo camping gear, so I just need to get out and do it when this rain pisses off. Anyway, I think I'm getting sick. I don't know why, I just feel not great. So maybe it's a good thing that it's raining and I get to rest inside today. But anyway, heaps more videos to come, heaps more content. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thanks everyone so much for the support. 1.5 years deep. You know, we've made it this far. let's just keep going, eh? Keep going, you know, see where this beautiful adventure takes us, you know. There. Make sure you're getting out and riding. Go, just do it, you know. Get off the couch. If you got good weather, go for it. Even if you don't, go for a ride, all right? Easy. All right, well, I hope to see some of you at the toy run. I'll be there. If not, stay safe. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.